go, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. And every human bitch now.
Many of you knows the place, and there's one thing I've seen. When I'm not around, some people take their cows here, and somehow they do some things. These are even some bricks there. I've seen there's some bricks that are not that good because of these cows. So I hope I'll come and close that place here. That's not a request. That's I'm the one who had said it to do so. Yeah. So let's go show you. Yeah, let me put my camera first. Let's go there and show you. Yeah, you can see the place was bush, guys, even outside. So I wanted that guy to trim this fence. You know, with the fence to see how it looks like. Yeah, it's really disorganized, guys. This guy is the one who is here to trim and say something, Murim.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mm. So you are here. Mbona trete pango ukunyasi hayo. Toranyo riko sitona yo. Yeah, guys. So the last day we are here, we did this, and where our pocket was leaching. Huh? That's why it was leaching, and you can see there's a borehole here. We didn't manage to finish it. See, and that's my mom's house, and we are here with that's my house. See inside how it looks like, very bushy, guys. Yeah, you see, guys. See, because it's been long, and people are using are taking advantage, guys, to use these houses like a toilet. You know, somehow like I don't know how I can say this. It's not good. It's not good at all. You see, if it's like the owner is not there and we're using the house like a toilet, how? Somehow look like I don't know how I can put this. You see, like they are trying to like I don't know how I can say this, but it's not good. Actually, it's not good. Yeah, you have to be like a human. We are all humans. See, guys, that's not good. That's not good at all. So, but I think we thank God. Inshallah, keep pushing, and maybe when God's time tells, we shall finish this house, and I think everything going to be okay, guys. Yeah. See how bush it is, and there is another one here again. Which one that is very bushy, very bushy. Oh, there are a lot of lizards here, guys. It somehow looks like a forest, like a bushy. Wow. That's why I've decided to come here and do something here. No. Even if you are okay, we have to try and do something. Huh? Yes. So you have to come and do some cleanness. I personally could like to do that, but guys, you see, I have some scars on my hands. You see? Let me show you clearly. I have some scars here, guys. Camera. If let me some hunt for me so they can show you. That's why I have that some like seems like I have some an internal injuries, guys. You see, I got an accident from here up to this place, so that's why inside here I don't feel like I can slash, or I can use the djembe to dig. That's why I feel somehow, you know. Even at Fadela's place, I wanted to volunteer, but guys, I tried. I saw that my hand got some injury, so I have to give it a time, maybe some few couple of days I'll be some okay, and I'll continue. See, like last time I was the one who was a top man hand, yeah, top hand man. I mean, so right now I don't think like I can manage to do that. I have to let it recover. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Let me take you around, guys. You can just come in.
Costa.
One thing, guys, I don't want advantageous people. They take advantage because someone is not, the owner is not there. Like the no one who can ask who is what is this, what are these, what are you doing? No, now they are taking advantage. But they can't take this anymore, guys. I've decided to call this place. Yeah, sure. So what a video, guys. Watch the video till the end, guys, and remember to subscribe, share the link, and support anyway, guys. Yeah. If you want not to reach me, the number in my bio, you can talk there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's stay tuned. Yeah, so we've started, guys.
Unaona?
Rusha mawe hapo.
Nakuuliza. Umeamwaje sehemu mpaka huko?
Fyeka basi hata kuanzia huko. Ufyeke mpaka ka hanse karasira muro. Yes, we started, guys. Slashing outside first. I told her that the stone, she has stored the stone here so that I can use it in next. No? And not that time in terms of money, we shall use this in the invent flowing, yeah? Yeah. Yes. This is Mrimi. Like usually you do things here with Mrimi. Yeah. When even when we were starting the house, Mrimi was here. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we have changed the plan. It's have to trim this one first so that we can be easy when it trims and it falls down, and then it's gonna be okay. We are with the intelligent man Murimi mwenyewe. Yeah. No tirende roga tume. Sio hata leo ndio kimbo jore.
Hata leo. Kuremba kuharakisha.
Mama kena ka cuma sehari. Kira-kira, wana baturu kira hano batu montono anu motomoke.
Kada ki utura.
Natu ni ko kira haran ko rukil.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, you're still going on. The work is still going on. As you can see, yeah, to the fence. Yeah, in the fence side. There you go. Yeah. Iko bom, fadari, iko bom, não bebia saber o que corre. Tu bia bebe pouco. Yeah. Asa haro banyo tkanin chenko, kimaro ta kora bui. Mai gorui kama kama hiro gori. Bono to kuma hambe sasa. Yeah. Still going on, guys. it's just like that. And you can see from here it's just finished from here. Just what is main, just this side and the other one. We are still, just there finishing. You see at the top, I just tell you, just lacking the iron sheets and everything so that can finish this side. After this, we are now heading to this one, guys, the other one there. Yeah. So, still watching the video, guys. Yeah, so guys, I think we are going to end up. It's just finishing. Huh? Now we are doing with Murimi here, guys. We're only slashing the outside parts and then we call it a day. Maybe tomorrow, I think we're going to come to finish. Okay, to work on inside again because it's too hot and too sunny, guys. That's Murimi said that he's somehow tired, so we want to go home. Yeah. So I think we wanna meet tomorrow again with Murimi. Just make some like just small, and I think we're going to finish. Maybe I can take you a look. You see how it's looked like, and if you are back, we're going to see. So that's boundaries, and you can see how Murimi has really worked today, guys. Murimi has really worked. Yeah. Yes. So here Murimi started from here. He trimmed the fence. Yeah, maybe I can say Murimi has done a good job. Murimi has really done a good job, guys. From here up to down there, and they had also cleaned thrashed the ground here. Yeah, apart from the fence has thrashed here the greens. Yeah, maybe I can take you around and see how it looks like, guys. Yeah, you see even the trees, man. The trees is growing. No, in future maybe when I'll be building that house or the other house to this side, I'll use these trees like timbers. Or when I'll have some want to build another houses here in the fence lines, I'll use these trees. Actually, guys, remember if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing, guys. Yeah, even I was here, was trying to collect some stones. We'll use this one to concrete, to mix with sands and cement to make a concrete, so we can put it down. Yeah, I was not even sitting, guys. I was just working on this. Yeah. Yes. So here we are. I think you've seen today's job. Maybe, guys, what I can say, if you're there watching this video, guys, and you feel like we are pushed to support, and you can support in any way, and we really appreciate. And remember, guys, to watch this video till the end, share the link and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay? Yeah, maybe you can go there. Maybe tomorrow you're gonna start from here. Maybe here, because this one is too bushy. If you can't start from there, you should start from here. Yeah, just here. And they saw the room so dirty, guys. Wow. Yeah, let's check on Murimi, and then from there I think I wanna end video. Murimi, wewe usokiri? Umemaliza? Sema kitu basi, kama ukimaliza hapo tukienda. Okay. Semaje sasa? Semaje? Say hi. Yes, how are you? Yeah. You fine? That's good. You finished the job? Okay. So what do you want? What do you need? If you finish the job. Guys, it's not really funny. No, you have finished the job, and I know you need some liquor, something. You know, after job you have to get something. You know, guys. Yeah, guys. Once again, I go by the name of iammarwa, guys. I think today's it's like the end of the video, guys. Maybe what I can say, let's meet tomorrow. on our next video, guys. And, I think tomorrow gonna be a next another amazing video, like when I will be cleaning the inside the rooms, guys. And again, if you feel like supporting, guys, your support will be appreciated. Even one bag of cement to fix the still we need some cement and iron sheets and nails, doors, windows, a lot of things we needed here by you guys. That's again with the video, guys. Yes. Bye bye, guys. See you next tomorrow. Bye.